Transfer USDT from Bitget to tonkeeper wallet. How to transfer USDT from Bitget to tonkeeper wallet? It is simple. Now, first of all, make sure you open the Bitget app and you are logged into your account. Now, after that, tap on assets. Now here, tap on spot and tap on withdraw. Now, after that, now here, search for USDT. If you don't find it here, just search for it. And after that, after you find it, just tap on it. Now tap on chain withdrawal, tap on it. Now from here, as you can see, the coin is USDT, but withdrawal network, we need to change it to TON because we want to send it to TON. So after that, we need to withdraw others. Just I will float this window and go to tonkeeper app. And now after you open the tonkeeper app, you want now to receive the USDT. Just tap on USDT. And now as you can see here, tap on receive. Now after that, copy the withdrawal address. Now for here, I will expand this window to be able to paste the withdrawal address. Now here, paste the withdrawal address like this. And now after that, you don't need memo and withdrawal amount. Type how much you want to send. Now as you can see, this is the fee that we will pay and this is how much we will receive. Now after you are ready to go, tap on withdraw and confirm the transaction. And this is how to transfer USDT from Bitget to tonkeeper wallet. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.